How to go live on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can go live on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So before going on live on TikTok, you'll first need to meet certain requirements. And these are the requirements right here. The first is that you'll need to be at least 18 years old, 19 if you're on South Korea, and after that, you will need to have at least 1,000 followers. Now, this also depends on the region that you are on. So yeah, if you meet these requirements, you can go live on TikTok. To go live, simply open up a TikTok, tap on the bottom plus icon, and after you do that, here you should find a live option right here. It should look something like this. Let me show you. So it should look something like this. And after you tap on the live button, you will start streaming live on TikTok. And it's that simple. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.